Hi friends, today I will talk about autofill feature in Excel. So what this autofill is all about, where we use it. So basically autofill, the name itself suggests, is basically fill up data for you automatically. So for example, sometimes we have to write a number for a number pattern in column or row or anything like that. For example, I am writing a random number 1, then 2, 3. Similarly, we have to type sometimes date. For example, let's say I am taking a random date 1 11 2022. Then we need to type again, let's say 2 11 22. So if we will do it manually, it will take a lot of time, and it's boring also. So Excel autofill function do this task for us very quickly. So let's learn it how to use it. So first we will start with number, and we will see how we use it with dates. So for example, let's say here I have written 1 2 3, right? We want to continue this series downward in the column. So what we will do, we will simply first select this all number. Let's start with one number, then we will see how to make it say. For example, right now having one number, and if we just bring our cursor right down corner, top right corner, so we can see that the change cursor color is changing. Once it is changed, we will simply press the mouse and will drag it, and see it's copying some number, right? It has copied the first number for us up to the cell where it has been selected, where we have dragged it. So how we did it? This function has been done by autofill. Here you can see one small pop-up. It say autofill option. So let's go into it and see what is this all about. So here we can see there are few options. For example, copy cell, fill series, fill formatting only, fill without formatting. So first one is copy cell. So if you are having one number only, and if you will select that and drag it down, so it will default to copy cell. So this is what I have written over here, copy cell. If there is one number, so it will default to copy cell. So when it use fill series, let's see it. First I will delete this, and I will just write one more number, let's say 3. Now Excel is finding a pattern out of these two numbers. So how you will do this? Now if we drag it, see it's making a series 1 3 5 7, all odd numbers. It has found a pattern, so it made a series for us. So let's see, this time it has selected fill series. So this time it is making series for us. So auto fill, if we don't want series, we simply want to copy this 1 3. So we will tick this copy cell option, and see the same thing is getting repeated. If we want to convert it to series, we will click fill series, and it will make a series. Okay, what is the third option? Fill format only. Okay, what does it mean? For example, let's say I have formatted the two cells in some colors, let's say like this and this, right? And now I am deleting this, and I will make this, I want to copy this format only without filling any number. Fine. So I will just first drag it down, and we'll see fill without format. So it has filled the series, it has made the series, but it didn't copy the format. So this was the use of fill without format. And what is fill format only? What it will do? It will only copy the format and will not copy anything else. For example, let's say I have just selected these two numbers, and then I will drag it down, and this time I will select fill format only. So what it has done, it has just copied the format of these two cells below the selection, up to the selection, and didn't made the series or copied the number. So this all four options are there: copy cell, fill series, fill formats only, fill without formatting if we are dealing with number. If we will deal with date, so apart from these four, there will be four more: fill days, fill weekdays, fill months, fill years. So let's see how it works. Rest four option. I will first delete this out and we'll go to date. Let's say I am picking one random date, 1/1/1/2022. All right. And now, if we will use this autofill feature right here, so what you see it's making a series, right? Okay, it's just increasing the date. And here, if we click this autofill option, then we can see there are already four options which we have already discussed in with number, and now four more options are here: fill days, fill weekdays, fill month, fill years. So what is this fill days? Fill days will basically change your date only, it will not change your month or the year. In this case it has already changed the number, so fill series and fill days will work equally. It will not change. For example, if I select fill days, so it will not change anything because the date has already been changed by fill series. Okay, what about fill weekdays? If we change this to fill weekdays, now we can see there is pattern 1 3. So it has left 2 and okay, 1 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 9 in missing. 8 9 must be Saturday or Sunday if we want to cross check it today. So month is for January, right? So we will go to January and see whether 8 9 was, yeah, here we can see 8 and 9, it was Saturday and Sunday. So it has left that 8 and 9, and again it has left what, 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16 again it has left. So it must be weekends, for example Saturday and Sunday. Let's go and check it out. 15 and 16, right? So this is the use of fill weekdays only. And what about other fill month? So it will change only the month and not change the date or year. See, it has just changed month, didn't change year or date. Now what about this fill years? So it will change only years and not month, not date. So see, it has kept date and month same, but it has changed the year. So this is work autofill with dates, and earlier I told you with numbers. Let's see how this work with text. For example, I am writing one text and see how this work. So again we will use fill option and will drag it down. Okay, it's copying only that text. So that four basic option is coming: copy cell, fill series, fill format. Last one, flash fill. It's a different topic, I will cover it in another video. So not only you can do this, like you can drag it downward only, but you can also drag it, vertically. I have already done, so you can do it horizontally also. So this was the use of autofill function. Hope you must have learned what autofill is in Excel. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel for supporting me. Share my video to all your friends and family who is learning Excel so that also they get benefited from this video. Thank you.